My lord.
Your parents have come.
Yes, my lord. Hopefully he might be knowing, madam.
My lord, he is present in the court.
What do you mean to say?
I do not know personally.
No. It's not a matter of personal presence. Your mother and father has filed writ petition against you.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
And did you file the wakalatnama?
Yes, my lord. Already in department.
All right. Are you
number 7?
7 is here.
My lord.
7 and 6 are
Husband and wife.
Husband and wife.
husband and wife represented by different councils.
My lord.
All right. Yes.
My lord, this is the case where the petitioner, who is the absolute owner of the property in question, my lord.
Who is owner? Petitioner?
Petitioners are the property in question, the self-acquired property of the petitioner number 1, my lord. The petitioner is a retired person, my lord, aged about 75 and 62, my lord. They have been ousted from their own property by the at the hand of the private respondent, my lord. And both, my lord. They have taken shelter in Kolkata, my lord, since the last July 2023, my lord. And they are residing in a tenanted premises, my lord. No maintenance is being given by the private respondents.
Go before the maintenance tribunal. There is
My lord, I have approached the maintenance tribunal,
But
but
no
they have
application
refused, my lord. I have stated in the para number 27, my lord.
Application annex that they have.
Wait. Please wait.
Kindly come to the para
You
number
are
27, my lord.
fighting your father.
Not at all.
And
The
your
case
mother.
Case is
My lord.
otherwise, my lord.
Case is otherwise. Let me see.
I have stated at para
How
number
many children do you have?
only 2, my lord.
Only 2.
My lord.
Who is the other one?
Other one is also an advocate practicing this court, my lord. Tanmay Mukherjee, my lord.
All right.
Majumdar, I'm sorry. Tanmay Majumdar,
Yes.
my lord. If 75 years old person cannot be run from pillar to post for ends of the justice, where the property is his self-acquired property, my lord.
The learned advocate, who is the son of the petitioner,
My lord.
he has not been made a party. And is the son looking after the father?
My lord. He
That
is
son
taking,
is-
my lord, in Kolkata, my lord, he is taking care of the mother and father, both, my lord.
And is there a difference between the 2 brothers?
My lord, he reside in Kolkata and the petition number 6 reside in the Uttar Dinajpur, my lord.
Yes, there is a fight between the 2 brothers.
No, my lord.
No fight.
No,
All right.
my
Then
lord. The only period, my lord, I want to enter into my property, my lord, and I have given notice to the private respondent number 6 to vacate my property, my lord, and so that I can enjoy my property till the rest of my life, my lord. The notice is annexed at page number 39, my lord. Till date, my lord, my position, my own property.
where is the order of the tribunal?
Tribunal have not entertained the application, my lord. That has
Where
been
is your application?
stated page number 27, my lord.
Stated,
have-
show me some
have
document. Why
refused-
will
They
tribunal?
have refused to accept the application, my lord.
Maybe it was not informed. That is the reason it has been refused.
I have made a representation before the DM, my lord. Concern,
Not the representation.
my lord.
You have to make a formal application.
Kindly
Where
come to
is
the
that?
page number 27, para number 27, my lord.
Paragraph number 27 will not do. Yes, son.
My lord, I am suffering from lumbar spine disease since for last 26 years.
What is your
Cannot-
age now?
My age 42 years. I am an
42.
advocate working at Raigad and
You
living
both
in
the sons are advocate.
yes, my lord. Both the
All
sons,
right.
and then there is no good relation. What has been submitted, good
Yes, that
relation,
I can understand.
not
Mm.
and this is a medical certificate.
No, I understand. Now what has happened? You have driven out your father.
That is not at all because I am living in only 10 by 10 foot room.
How many rooms are there?
My lord, rooms. My lord, I am showing the plan, the extent of what I am possessing.
Plan also you have.
Yes, my lord.
Everything is
Considerable amount of
in
money
their
has been
custody, my lord.
invested while construction of the house even.
They have immensely tortured me, my lord, and FIR has been lodged against the private respondent, my lord.
No sour relation as such was there. I have not even lodged a case even against my parents because maybe some misunderstanding, it will end in a good relationship. I want that always.
So let the father go over there and reside
Yes,
in the
my
house.
lord, no objection at all. No
No
objection.
But
objection.
the petitioner do not want to keep them in their property, my lord. And the private respondent cannot be allowed to be in position out of the will of the parents, my lord, with the absolute honor of the property, my lord.
No such application is forthcoming, no annexure is made. Whether at all such application has been made,
The property is the father's property.
Yes,
There
ma'am.
is no doubt.
no doubt, no doubt.
Now, maybe for some reason, I do not want to specify the reason. I can understand the reason. The father does not want the son and the daughter-in-law to stay over there.
I will little child of 2.5 years at present.
You are an advocate.
Yes, ma'am.
Find out a place for yourself and let the father live in peace.
Grateful, my lord.
My lord, then in that case, my lord, I have also such certain contentions, my lord, let it be relegated because I have been fortified with 2 orders of the coordinate bench where the matter has been relegated to civil court. For adjudication for vacating of the premises, it cannot be done by the writ court.
My lord, kindly come to
One
the
of the
section 27, my lord.
I am not looking into that.
My lord, 27 bar the civil code, my lord.
Property is the father's property.
Yes, my lord.
He
But
has
have
the
invested
right.
certain amount while construction of the property. That
He
is all.
has the right. When was the property constructed? When was the structure? Plan is of the year? Plan is of the year?
The property has been developed
When?
by the petitioner itself, my lord.
When?
But that to take instruction of কোথায় গেল?
My lord, I humbly,
You
Then
want
level.
a share in the property because you invested for construction.
Yes, my lord.
What about the father's investment upon you for
I am
your
not denying-
education and the
I
studies
am not
and
denying the
everything?
fact. Let us all live together, my lord. Let us
Live
all live
together.
together.
The father is not willing to stay.
In that case, my lord.
Yes, then in that case,
পাশে থাকুন, কিছু
find
কিছু
out an alternative accommodation for yourself.
please.
And don't insist the court to pass an order of eviction.
My lord,
My
I
lord,
am the
kindly-
respondent number 7, the
Kindly,
wife of the respondent number 6. My lord, I am a Muslim lady. I am also an advocate by profession. My lord, the dispute actually stemmed from when I got married with the respondent number 6. Though they were present in the marriage, but after that they couldn't accept me. I moved heaven and earth. I did whatever I could to please them, my lord. And they are saying that they were assaulted, my lord. Kindly have a look, see who was being
this
assaulted.
is not the issue.
My
I
lord, I have
Don't show, don't
they
show.
kicked me I had a cesarean operation. At the point of stitch, they kicked me repeatedly, my lord.
My lord,
I
they
have-
are-
I have the
Better-
medical documents.
It
I did
is
not
better
lodge a
not to
complaint.
stay with these people who kicks you in such manner. It
My
is
lord-
better you move out for your personal safety,
My lord,
for your health.
I have a small child. Where
So
will I
what?
go at this point of time?
Both are advocates. You cannot find an alternative accommodation
We are
for
senior
yourself.
advocates, my lord. We are just enrolled into the bar. We have been practicing. We do not have that kind of
you have been
uh,
enrolled in
my lord,
2016.
sustenance
You
to-
have to find out something for yourself.
My lord, we will try. Of course, we can try. But provided
Please do
right
try.
now, one person cannot just forcibly throw us out. Our
No,
My
my
lord-
lord,
since it
marriage
is
was
his
solemn
property, since the property is his, you cannot forcibly stay inside that
Grateful,
property.
My lord, I wasn't brought into that home forcibly. Our legal marriage was done.
Your marriage with the son, fight it out with the son.
Yes.
The
You have to claim
father-in-law's
against the,
house,
your husband.
cannot
I
have.
don't have any claim against anyone, my lord. I haven't filed even a single case.
You
Even
have
this,
no-
I have the medical documents.
No, you
but
can
still I-
always file.
You-
Nobody is standing in the way of your filing
No,
proceedings
I'm not.
against anybody.
My
That
lord,
is
I
your
wouldn't do
right.
that, my lord.
That is your right.
For
You
the
can
family
proceed.
prestige, I wouldn't do that.
If this is the family prestige that you are concerned of, then please maintain the dignity of yourself, of your husband, of your child, of the profession, especially since you are of the same profession.
Yes, my lord. And I have been doing that, my lord.
Please do it
steadfastly.
and find out a place where you can move out.
My lord, that would take certainly some time. I just cannot.
I can give you a month's time.
My lord, more than that. 1 month, in this cold season, my lord, I have a young child, and that too
He
after that
70
cesarean operation, my lord. there were
75
multiple
years old, has
complications.
been
M-
suffering from cancer. He have recovered from the cancer, my lord.
My lord, my husband has spent.
No
about
matter
10
how
lakhs.
much you make submission, since the owner of the house is not willing to keep you there,
My lord.
it cannot be helped.
Then, my lord, let the owner of the house go to the civil court for eviction if that is what she
Section
wants.
27
us
bars
stop
the
at this
civil
place.
code, my lord. Kindly come to the section 27. No civil court shall
You-
have jurisdiction.
If you insist upon this type of provision, then I'll be compelled
No, my
to
lord,
pass a mandate.
No, my lord, I'm not insisting. I'm
Please
merely.
do not. Find out a place. I'll give you a month's time.
My lord, I'm
Please
merely
find out.
beseeching your lordship, my lord. I'm
Nothing
not
to beseech. Please come.
Great film. एक मास মধ্যে খালি করার
My lord, on the basis of the complaint, police has started a specific case and charge sheet also submitted.
My lord, I rely upon some judgment, my lord. Yes. It will help
I
you.
think judgment. Consent order. Not equal to it.
No jurisdiction.
The petitioners are senior citizens. The son of the petitioner, not the son, one of the sons of the petitioner has been impleaded as respondent number 6 in the instant writ petition, and the wife of the respondent number 6, that is the daughter-in-law of the petitioners, has been impleaded as respondent number 7. Stop. The petitioner number 1
এটা একটু রেখে দিও everybody service
claims to be suffering from cancer. Stop. Allegation is that the petitioners were forcibly driven out of their own house. Stop. The petitioners were tortured in the hands of the private respondents. Stop. The petitioners approached the where have you mentioned that you approached the tribunal?
Para number 27, my lord.
27.
Page 15.
But then you have to show documents. I will see it. I'll give you time.
আপনি গিয়েছিলেন তো
27. The petitioners approached the concerned subdivisional officer, Raiganj,
petition আছে কি
under the provisions of the Maintenance
petition is
and Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act, 2007. Show me the document.
my lord, that document is at the home at Uttar Dinajpur, my lord. He have approached কোথায় document কোথায় ওটা বাড়িতে আছে বাড়িতে at Uttar Dinajpur cannot be produced, man.
The petitioners are unable to produce any documents in support of the said submission, allegedly because all the documents are inside the house at Uttar Dinajpur. And the petitioners right now do not have any access to the said house. Stop. Prayer has been made to permit the petitioners to reside in their own house peacefully. Stop. Complaint was lodged before the Raiganj police station,
Grateful, my lord.
but no action is reported to have been taken. Paragraph. The learned advocate representing the respondent number 6 denies the allegation of cruelty. Stop. It has been submitted that the private respondent is a practicing advocate in the district of Uttar Dinajpur.
Order pass হচ্ছে, please. আস্তে কি বলছেন?
Stop. He had spent considerable amount in raising construction of the subject house where the petitioners are currently residing. Stop.
Not it